Today we'll be unboxing the Intel NUC Extreme. Everything about this is insane. Nice little belt buckle on the front. Power cable on the bottom, pretty standard. That's the device there. Take a look at some of the I/O. Got 4 USB 3.1 ports, 2 network interface cards, and HDMI port, pretty standard, 2 USB-C ports. On the front, we've got a card reader and 2 USB 2 ports, which is good for your mouse and keyboard, and really that's about it. Pretty standard. So inside this kit is an i9-9980HK processor. Pretty insane. Memory is expandable up to 64 GB, DDR4 2333 MHz. You can also add a GPU to the NUC. A desktop grade GPU, a lot of the time they come in a NUC size, so they're a little bit smaller. Slimline card should work fine. You can see the 2 PCI slots in the back there. There's 2 M2 SATA slots on the board. All in all, I would rate this insane. My only gripe would be the 2 USB 2 slots on the front, but again, that's generally for I/O, for keyboard and mouse. Thanks for watching.